Chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened you need. At the boat show 2025, it's got a bit smaller. The entrance has even moved. There's the entrance. Alright. Alright.
So anyway.
Here we go.
Oh, chariot along, and we'll all hang on the heart.
Alright. Don't know what's going on, but it doesn't look very organised as normal.
I think ticket holders to the right, non-ticket holders to the left it was. Back there.
Alright, well,
But we got tickets.
God knows.
We were right, we got tickets.
Going in. Oh, it's raining.
Do you want your coat?
Right, let's go this way round.
Do you want your coat?
Oh, nice. Alright. Right, we'll take a wander around, see what we can find. Okay. What's this? Boating Academy. Whaley boats. Icon. Might have to pop in there later, tomorrow. New VHF for the boat. Alright. Why is it raining? That's cool. That's nice. Right, so around the canopy place, so we're going to get a quote for a canopy for Moretti. So, right, that's first job done. Next, one TikTok.
Anyway.
There we are, Boatfolk.
So me and Linda were at the front. Trying to do this.
We're going to say premiere now. We going in here for a minute or what?
I don't know, do you want to go in there now or not?
No, we'll come back.
Yeah.
We'll come back.
Well,
Come back later. Right, we're going to go and look at some boats. Do some boat tours before it rains. Here we go. Nice. Trawlers. Whiskey Jack, that's good then. That engine. 350 V8, nice. This is more interesting. Alright. Good boy. Nice. The size of it. Thunderchild 2. 54 knots. 54 knots. Isn't that? That's pretty cool. Crazy. Back over here. Nice. That is nice. That's a crazy bit of kit. That's nice. Like the colour of that. That is awesome. 168. Wow. Right.
Earn a well-earned drink.
Okay, that's a few boat tours. I'll put them on the channel individually, and like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we're going to go and get a beer. Alright, see you in a minute. Right, Boatfolk stand. Let's go and get a drink whilst we can before it changes all the way over to Premier Marina, as the Premier have just bought Boatfolk. So it's a bit busy in here, busy and buzzing, which is what we like to see. It's always good to see. Let's go see who. Huh? Oh, broker, yeah.
Chat to him in a minute.
Right, can I have it? Right, absolutely pissing it down out there, so we've come indoors. So, Burd, look, you can buy the Burd. This is our OurBoatyVerse store.
Potentially.
No. So we come indoors, we're going to have a look around, see if there's any retailers in here, not just people displaying their stuff. See if we can buy some bits that we need. We need a few bits for Moretti. Alright, come to the boat show. No, it's not the best weather outdoors. But having fun. Well, Bird's had a few wines, so she's in a different mindset now. But we're having fun. Alright. Lots to see. Lots to see. Lights. Now we're talking my language. Lights.
Baby Blake, innit?
We got one of those in my mum's garage. Baby Blake.
We've got one you can borrow.
Yeah. Always good walking around the stores. Just spoke to someone about some Lumishore underwater lights, but yeah, they might be a bit too pricey for us. We will see. He's going to put us a little quote together tomorrow. So, all right.
That's later on when you...
A lot less stores here as well this year, considering they got rid of half the stores on the way in. You think there'd be more stores in here, but it seems a bit empty. So, what are you doing, Southampton Boat Show? What are you doing? You're just making the show really tiny and then shutting it down, or what? Now here's the store, Garmin. I will be in here a while. No, I can't afford that. But yeah, we'll be in here a while. Well, it's got windy at the boat show. There's a plane at the boat show, of course. But look at the flags flying. Anyway, just had a real good chat with a guy on a Garmin stand, so I know exactly what I need. And yeah, gotta go back to work. Alright, back to Boatfolk stand.
I think
Because
so
the video
now.
is free.
It's getting a bit windy as well, isn't it? So
Very windy. Probably can't hear me because it's so windy, and I haven't got the wind muff on the microphone thingy. But Bird's having a good time. Love the boat show, even if the weather's shit. Still good fun.
well, it's all right. It's just windy.
There he is!
You don't want any more alcohol, do you?
I'm having another one.
Another wine.
She doesn't need another wine, do you, Bird?
Yeah.
Do you want another drink?
You get another drink. Wonder if they're advertising anything decent in this place. Oh, look at that. Been here already. Alright, I'll set a shine on it.
Oh yeah, they love their wood stuff. Wherever they've gone, every boat they've gone on.
Bit of wood. Yeah, any wood, he's in there.
Yeah.
That's his trade. Look, he's fettling. What are you fettling with, Mark? Same old stuff as last time, but not so much of it. Really, not so much this year. The show is shrinking. And also not so busy. Oh, they do have the hot tubs here. They're back. Hot tubs are back. Oh, no, they even scrimped on the water this year. No water in the hot tubs this year.
Drowning that.
There we are. Look, empty stalls. Empty. Place is empty. Place is very empty.
Welcome to the stage. He wakes you up every weekday morning. Scott Mills.
Southampton! Let's go!
Alright, we've left the show. We've left Rich and the crew there. They're going to stay here and we're going to go for the Chinese that they were supposed to come to. But we're going to go for some food because some of us need food more than others. Nah, it's been a great day. Great day. I love the boat show, even if it's getting smaller.
I'll be back tomorrow.
It's a good fun day out. And it is a day. It's good fun. Oh, don't get run over. No. It's good fun. I enjoyed it. I'll bring you guys some boat videos and boat tours. We're going to go and get a Chinese. And then we may hook up with the guys afterwards. We'll see what the time is by then and where they are. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Because, you know, our YouTube channel won't grow unless you subscribe. We're having fun. And that's what matters. See you guys on the next one. See you guys tomorrow. Go back to the boat show. Right, a Chinese restaurant, Shanghai 1814 or something like that. There should be 6 of us, but there's just the 2 of us. The others have stayed behind drinking.
They're enjoying Scott Mills.
Yeah, Scott Mills isn't that good. Crikey.
Wow.
Right, we're going in. After you, Burd.
Thank you, darling.
Our favourite Chinese restaurant in the world. All right. here we are. So we're going to have some food, and then we may join up the others later, but maybe we'll just have some food and go back to the hotel, because we're going to go back to the boat show tomorrow. All right. Follow us along, like and subscribe. See you later.